If you're thinking about selling your house for cash in Sacramento, one of the first questions you probably have is, how long does it actually take? In most cases, a cash home sale in Sacramento can close in about 7 to 14 days. And one of the biggest reasons it can happen so quickly is that you're eliminating many of the steps that slow down a traditional home sale. With a traditional buyer, you may have to wait for inspections, an appraisal, mortgage approval, and other lender requirements. A traditional sale can take 30 to 90 days or even longer. With a cash sale, the process is much more straightforward. Typically, you'll start by providing some information about your property. The cash buyer evaluates the home and presents you with a no-obligation cash offer. If you decide to accept, the purchase agreement is signed, escrow is opened, and the title company completes the necessary title work before closing. Now, 7 to 14 days isn't a requirement. One of the advantages of selling your house for cash is flexibility. Maybe you need to sell quickly because of foreclosure, a job relocation, an inherited property, or another financial situation. Or maybe you need 30 days or longer to pack, move, and figure out what comes next. At Bridgehaven Homes, we work with Sacramento homeowners to choose a closing date that fits their situation. So if you want to sell your house for cash in Sacramento and would like to know what your timeline could look like, visit bridgehavenhomes.com